Hey guys, we are back with another episode of Tech Facts. Without wasting any further time, let's start. 1. By 2025, global internet connections will touch 100 billion. Chinese electronics giant, Huawei, has forecasted that there will be almost 40 billion smart devices and 100 billion internet connections around the world by 2025. The report titled Global Industry Vision (GIV 2025) said that, by 2025, intelligent technology will be applied extensively in the transportation industry, with more than 60 million vehicles connected to 5G networks and 100% of new vehicles connected to the Internet. 2. Silicon-level Intel technology to prevent cyber attacks. Worldwide chip manufacturing company, Intel, has launched silicon-level cyber threat detection technology to protect customers' data. They have also said that performance will not be compromised and also power consumption will be minimized. They have launched Intel Threat Detection Technology, which is a set of silicon-level capabilities that will help in detecting new classes of threats, and have also launched Intel Security Essentials. It is a framework which standardizes built-in security features across all Intel chips. 3. AR-powered microscope for real-time cancer detection. Google has developed a microscope based on machine learning and augmented reality, also known as AR, which can be used for real-time detection of cancer. The kit can be fitted into any existing light microscopes. In principle, the AR microscope can provide a wide variety of visual feedback, including text, arrows, contours, heat maps or animations, and is capable of learning many types of machine learning algorithms, aimed at solving different problems such as object detection, quantification or classification. 4. Artificial skin that could give robots a sense of touch. Researchers have developed an artificial skin made of rubber, that could give robots and a range of electronic devices a sense of touch. Like human skin, it can sense strain, pressure and temperature. It's a piece of rubber, but it has the function of a circuit and sensors. 5. Planet hunting spacecraft. On April 18, 2018, NASA had launched its planet hunting spacecraft. Now NASA is expecting to find thousands of planets outside our solar system, known as exoplanets. 200,000 stars near the Sun would be surveyed to search for transient exoplanets. Scientists are expecting to find more than 2,000 planets, out of which 300 could be of Earth-sized. If you want to know how NASA's Planet Hunter works, check the link in the description below. 6. Pentagon to track soldiers' smartphones to spot their health. The Pentagon is working on an app that will monitor the health of U.S. soldiers through their smartphones. This app will be using the smartphone's camera, microphone and motion sensors to monitor signs of illness. They have signed a contract with cybersecurity company, CryptoWire, for $5.1 million for the development of this whole project. 7. Now you will be able to talk to books. In the field of artificial intelligence, Google has developed a system in which users can talk to books. First improvisation is that, in which a user can interact with books. AI will find the simple sentence which user enters and identify the exact matches in books. Then second improvisation is random blocks and text written on them. When user enters the word related to the block, it finds exact match and shows valid point related to the topic. Google CEO Sundar Pichai betting big changes in AI. 8. App which locates lightning strike. You might have heard of apps predicting earthquake. But did you ever hear of an app predicting lightning strike? Now this have become a reality. Annually 70 lives are lost due to lightning strike in Karnataka, India. In order to protect people, Karnataka State Natural Disaster Monitoring Center launched an app called Sibalu. This app shows warning to users 45 minutes before the lightning strike. Based on the possibility of occurrence, it shows different color as a warning sign. Orange indicates the possibility of occurrence within 5 square kilometer radius, and yellow in 15 square kilometer, and green means user is safe. This app is successfully functioning in 90 countries. 9. Sci-fi movie will decide the future. Sci-fi movies predicts many technologies which are gonna arise in future. Most of sci-fi movie writers predict the future technologies. Almost 70–80% of the device we are using now are inspired from movies. But many don't know about this. VR concepts have been taken from the movie Back to the Future Part 2, driverless car obtained from the movie Total Recall of 1990, video call concept is obtained from the movie Blade Runner 1982, Star Trek III movie of 1984 provides the way to discover mobile phones. 10. AI that can focus on individual speakers in a crowd. Everyone knows that cameras can focus on a particular object and make everything else blur. But speech recognition doing the same thing was far from reality till now. But now Google has developed an artificial intelligence system that can focus on a particular voice in a crowd, suppressing all other sounds. Just imagine how good and easy it would be, recording a particular person's voice in the crowd where people are struggling to do the same at present. Audio quality will go to a different level. That's all for today. For more weekly Tech Facts video, subscribe to our channel. Finally, I would like to say that it really takes a lot of time, effort and hard work to make a single video. So please like, share and also subscribe. It provides a lot of motivation to make another video. Also feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.